way to Perris motocross track, and I'm gonna go shoot some dirt bikes today. It's a little bit rainy, but they say that it's not raining at the track right now, so see you over there. What are we doing out here, Brandon?
Well, we're just doing a photo shoot for the relaunch of the Bill's Pipe website. It's been a minute, so see how it turns out. These guys look like they know what they're doing. See how it turns out.
Hey, we're new, we're trying. The 90s kid, what do you need to prep for? There's not even
the visual is all there.
Yeah.
I mean, you ain't getting no better than this.
I'm gonna put my drone up and check out the track, see how wet it is. Yeah, it's pretty wet. We got a lot of rain last night, and it shows. This is cool. Fly up over these rocks right here and drop down right onto the track. Yeah, that'll be cool. So he's setting up to shoot photos and some video of the bikes before they get super muddy. Wow, look at that. Look at how muddy that track is. Sketchy. Kind of sketchy for me because I don't have any electronic waterproofing for my drone. So if I get splashed at all, there's a good chance my drone's going down. It's so muddy out here, we had to drive the truck out onto the track and drop the bikes off. Wow, those are some deep puddles. Hopefully the sun will come out soon and help dry up this track. Yeah, this will be fun. Heck yeah. Yeah, hopefully it dries out. We're gonna head over to the vet track because they say it's a little bit less muddy. I only flew the main track and there's puddles everywhere. It's kind of sketchy. So I'll see you over there. Look at this. This track is definitely less wet, but it's still huge puddles here and there. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. So with that said, let's go fly some drones. So, that's it from Perris. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Yep.